further improve the mobility of our hips, we want to start by opening up a little bit of space, and then in that end range of motion, create as much tension as we can safely create on our own and reinforce that end position. So we can do both external rotation of the hip coming out, and internal rotation of the hip coming in. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to stretch. We want to stretch for upwards of maybe 2 minutes. So first, I'm going to lean forward. I'm going to find that line of tension here on the outside of my hip. Once I find that line of tension, wherever that is for me, I'm going to sit in it and hold it for 2 minutes. At the end of 2 minutes, I'm going to press my knee into the ground or try to lift my heel off the ground. I can also think that if somebody's trying to push my foot into the ground, I'm resisting that and pulling back up. So as I do that and I try to lift this foot off the ground, I should feel a degree of tension in that hip where I was just stretching. Now I am gradually lifting up to my greatest, safest effort for 20 seconds. And at the end of 20 seconds, go ahead and relax. And then relax, give it a moment, and then do it again. Repeat. 20 seconds, lift, rotate, continue to pull more tension up, gradually increasing to your greatest, safest effort. And at the end of 20 seconds, relax. For this side of this 90-90 position, I'm going to try to find some line of tension here in the hip. Once I feel it, I'm just going to let that relax, sit in it for upwards of 2 minutes. At the end of 2 minutes, I'm then going to try to lift this leg off the ground for 20 seconds and relax. Give it a second, and then again, lift, 20 seconds, and relax. And if this position is difficult to lift that foot, go ahead and get the stretch, then lean forward, and once again, lift that leg off the ground. You can see even for me, I can get a little more range of motion here, a little more control. You still want to feel this working here in the side of the hip. 20 seconds, relax, 20 more seconds and hold. Greatest, safest effort, gradually increasing throughout the entirety of the 20 seconds.